Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hi, it's Mark here from the Jeepster Man. And you know, something that made America really great is the fact that we have always gone out and helped other countries, and we've defended our own nation. And what did we use to do that? The Jeep. It is one of the most widely used vehicles, military applications that has ever been around, and it still exists today in many versions, mainly civilian Jeeps. Everybody's either got one or they want one. But today we have something that goes all the way back to those war days, and that's the Jeep Willys MB. And this is a Jeep in a crate. You can buy this from the Jeepster Man. They specialize in carrying these crates. They're really good at working with the customers and making sure they know everything they're going to get, because there's a total of 88 pieces that come with this Jeep. Now, some things to be clear about is that this Jeep does not include axles nor a drivetrain, so you have to kind of have your own setup or purchase that or be ready to deal with that and make sure you integrate those kind of items. But the body, the frame, lots of great welding, seam welding done by a machine. Metal made out of what's called galvanneal. It's really rust resistant. You're not going to deal with the rust issues that you would have on the normal metal. And like I say, all the major components you need outside of that drivetrain, including seat covers, a soft top that goes with you can see the brackets over there for the soft top. You can see the seats are bare, but the covers are with it, all the way down to the original tires that were used on this vehicle. So if you're interested in a really good military application vehicle that comes in a crate ready for you to build, see thejeepsterman.com.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep restoration parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.